News at 10, taped earlier this evening. Good news for South Mississippi. WLOX News at 10.
I don't even have words. I'm just so happy, just overrun with emotion. I couldn't be more proud of my country and of the Supreme Court today.
Supporters celebrate after the Supreme Court strikes down the federal law that limits marriage to a man and a woman. The court rules the Defense of Marriage Act is unconstitutional because it denies federal benefits to same-sex couples who are legally married. Now, this ruling and the effect it has on our state is our top story tonight. Good evening. Thank you for joining us for WLOX News at 10. I'm Rebecca Powers. This ruling means legally married same-sex couples in 12 states and the District of Columbia are now eligible for federal benefits. And same-sex couples will also be able to file their income taxes together. Take a look at this map that shows the states which do recognize same-sex marriage. Those states are California, Connecticut, Delaware, Iowa, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, Minnesota, New Hampshire, New York, Rhode Island, Vermont, and Washington. Not much has changed in Mississippi because our state doesn't recognize gay marriage. Mississippi voters passed a constitutional amendment in 2004 that bans gay marriage here. However, those who advocate for gay marriage say today's decision by the High Court is really a game changer. Carrie Gray stopped by an openly gay bar in Gulfport tonight for reaction.
Cheers erupted as the crowd chanted, "No more DOMA." Wednesday's Supreme Court decision to overturn the Defense of Marriage Act has brought great joy to the gay community in South Mississippi. Leanna Wartell says she cried when she heard the news, but the joy quickly faded when she thought about how many discriminatory laws still exist.
I'm hoping that the next step will be to actually, step by step, each state will turn down their discriminatory bans on marriage, and not just marriage, but adoption and rights to work.
Wartell says this ruling means great things for the gay community and is definitely a step forward. While some are thrilled about the decision, others say they need more clarity before they can be excited about the way Mississippi will handle the Supreme Court's ruling. Rafe O'Neill owns the bar and has been in a same-sex partnership for 19 years. He says the decision is monumental for the gay community, but he still wishes Mississippi would move forward with gay rights.
Continue the good fight. I think that this is like I said, a watershed moment for the nation as well as our area. And I would like to see us continue to move forward in the equal rights area.
While Mississippi may not recognize gay marriage yet, folks at the other bar will take their victories as they come. In Gulfport, Carrie Grace, WLOX News.
Thank you, Carrie. Well, the Mississippi Center for Public Policy says the Supreme Court ruling will not have any effect on the state law that bans gay marriage in Mississippi. A gay couple from Gulfport says today's Supreme Court ruling gives them 2 reasons to celebrate. Today is also their first wedding anniversary. John Foldy and Barry Wilbrand exchanged vows in Victoria, Canada a year ago today. They say the court ruling will give gay couples the same federal benefits that heterosexual couples currently enjoy. However, they don't think the decision applies to gay couples in our state where same-sex marriage is still illegal.
I was a bit disappointed. I'm not gonna deny that. It's an exciting day in that it's definitely the next step for same-sex couples. But at the same time, I mean, as far as in the state of Mississippi, if anything were to happen to Barry or if anything were to happen to me, then there are a whole host of things that we would not be eligible for.
Now, this couple believes the ruling is a major step toward legalizing same-sex unions one day in Mississippi.